Alright guys, back to see kid spends $1,000 on brother's credit card to buy fidget spinners prank. Listen man, somebody $1,000 worth of fidget spinners, man. He bought fidget spinners for his whole group of friends for $1,000. He got to spare. We're gonna see what happened in the prank though, man, and get into it. But before we get the video started, as always, y'all, smack that like button, hit the sub button if you guys are new to the channel. Also comment more stuff that you guys want to see me react to, and let me know what you guys thought of the video, man. Link to King Kenny TV and to this video in particular will be down in the description box below. With that being said, man, let's go ahead and get into it.
You spent $1,000 of my money on fidget spinners! Huh?
So they like British. Okay. Do I just skip to the prank? Yeah, that's what we're doing.
He legit
this
tried
wasn't
to
even
do
a
the
prank.
same prank on me by saying that he spent $1,000 on fidget spinners on my bank account. Like King Kenny is that thick to think that you're gonna do it twice. The prank backfired big time, alright? Alright, enough jibber jabber. Let me show you how this prank fully backfired on my brother.
What's up guys, Wisdom here, and today I'm going to be pranking my brother. You saw what he did to me in that car crash prank, so now we'll be getting back. Do you remember that time when I pranked him with that someone used...
It was this video I saw a while ago. There was this kid
that he commentated for the whole prank.
Have you ever had a dreams that you want?
Isn't it similar?
Do you remember that time when I pranked him with that someone used... Did you guys remember when I did that prank on Kenny where someone used £100 to buy a PS4 on his eBay account?
What the
So he did this before and tried to do it again?
Well, I'm kind of really doing that again. Today, right now, I've got a fake bank statement right in this envelope, which I'm going to give to Kenny. So here's the bank statement to show that I used £1,000 to buy a fidget spinner on his eBay account.
Okay, so what are we waiting on?
What's good? What's good?
Kenny.
What's up?
Here's the envelope for you.
Thanks. I'm good. Just calling you. I haven't heard from you in ages. Close the door.
He on FaceTime with his shorty.
Yeah.
ring at all. What was the problem?
There was no problem. There was this girl that thought I was just using her, pretty much.
Oh yeah, we almost went there. Well, we were almost going this time, but you know.
What? Wait.
What?
Wait, I'll call you back. 1 second.
He put it in the same place.
Wisdom is such an idiot. I'm gonna pretend like I'm deeply upset about this fake statement. Let's see how far this can go.
What the hell? Oh my god! Wisdom!
Yeah?
Alright, come here. Do you remember what you did to me last time, right? Do you remember how heartbroken I was and how scared I was? I want you to tell me the truth. Is this real or is it fake? Is it real or is it fake?
Real.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
Is it real or is it fake?
Real.
So you spent $1,000 of my
And he can
money
act, bro. He can act.
on fidget spinners.
Because it looks.
You spent $1,000 of my money on fidget spinners! Huh?
It looks really good though.
And you're smiling about it! Get out! Get out! And close the door!
Now let's see how he reacts when he asks me to buy him something. Two can play at that game.
Alright.
Hey Kenny, could you buy me some McDonald's?
McDonald's? McDonald's?
Yeah.
From here? Oh, so today's your lucky day. What do you want from McDonald's? Look at the screen first before you decide what you're gonna get.
Happy Meal,
Happy Meal, yeah?
chicken nuggets.
Nice, like a nice Happy Meal.
Yeah. And a Fanta.
Super juicy, tasty nugget meal, yeah? With a Fanta.
Super.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Also,
Yeah?
your Happy Meal.
Alright. Alright.
Welcome to Dr. Mental Emergency Therapy.
Alright, can I have, alright, 1 second.
Sorry?
1 sec, don't worry.
Oh man, he see the camera.
You told me you didn't tell him what you wanted.
Tell them what?
You didn't tell him what you wanted.
Yeah, there's a reason for that. Why do you think I didn't tell them? Now why do you think I didn't tell them? Huh?
Look at this man, G.
Think about it. Why do you think I drove off? I don't have any money. Remember? You spent all my money, $1,000 of my money on fidget spinners. Where do you think I'm gonna get money to buy fidget spinners, huh? Think about it. So that's what you get. You spend my money, you don't get any treats.
So Kenny, please.
No, I don't want to hear anything.
It was a prank.
It was a what?
It was a prank.
Yeah, a really crap one because I saw the freaking cameras. I know you didn't spend any of my money on fidget spinners. I know for a fact. I just wanted to make sure the prank backfired. And you know what? It did.
You are not uploading that.
Yeah. Look, camera's right there. Now have a nugget Happy Meal with a Fanta, please.
With Fanta.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
all?
Yeah.
Thank you. Please.
Oh, no.
Alright, man, that's the end of the video. If y'all enjoyed it, man, smack that like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, comment some more stuff that you guys want to see me react to, and let me know what you guys thought of the video, man. Link to this King Kenny TV and to this video in particular will be in the description box down below if you guys want to go check it out. And with that being said, man, till next time, y'all, it's been your boy Squints. We go.